In this module, we will take a look at the different types of sensory disabilities. Sensory disabilities refer to impairments in one or more of the five senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. These disabilities impact a person's ability to interpret sensory information. Let's look at some key examples. Visual impairments cover a wide range of conditions and can be present at any stage in life. Aside from complete blindness, people with visual impairments may have significant or partial vision loss which cannot be corrected with glasses or surgery. People who are colorblind cannot distinguish between certain colors, which makes interpreting color-coded images difficult. Other eye conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration can lead to complete or partial vision loss. Though these are more common in older people, they can still occur in young people, and it is important to be considerate of this. Like visual impairments, hearing difficulties can range from mild to severe. People who are completely deaf cannot hear any sounds. Many deaf people use sign language as their main method of communication. Partial loss of hearing means that people can hear sounds and speech, but may struggle with certain frequencies or in noisy places. Tinnitus is a condition where a person hears ringing or buzzing sounds in one or both ears. This can be very distracting and makes it difficult to tune into other sounds. Sensory processing disorder, or SPPD, means that the brain has trouble receiving and responding to information that comes through the senses. It can result in strong sensitivity to certain senses. Tactile impairments can take a few different forms. Hypersensitivity means that an individual will have a strong reaction to certain textures or sensations on the skin. For example, they may not be able to wear certain clothing. Hypersensitivity can also affect other senses, making certain foods, smells, and sounds unpleasant or overstimulating. By contrast, hyposensitivity causes a reduced sensitivity to touch. So a person may not feel temperature or texture changes as acutely as others. Hypersensitivity can impact taste, but other conditions, such as ageusia, cause individuals to completely lose their ability to taste. There are also conditions which impact individuals' ability to smell. This ranges from anosmia, which causes a complete loss of smell, to phantosmia, which causes a person to smell odors that are not actually present. These disabilities can make navigating the world challenging, overwhelming, and confusing. They are often invisible and not always well understood, making it more difficult for people with these disabilities to engage in activities and public spaces. This is why it is important that you consider these disabilities when planning activities and accessibility measures in your youth center. Now that we have a better understanding of what sensory disabilities are, let's take a look at what is meant by sensory art.